Hi-Fi's Jammers!
Today, we are here in another unboxing video!
Yay! Jamila, can you please break the box?
Okie dokie.
A few moments later.
We're going to unbox this Casio CTK-240 electronic keyboard.
This Casio CTK-240 is recommended for beginners.
Like me!
Let us check the box. So at the front here, it shows the model's image, the product number, the brand over here. Now I'll read you the product's description at the back. 100 rhythms with auto accompaniment, 50 song bank tunes with songbook. Due to copyright restrictions, some pieces and tunes may not be included in the song. Melody on-off lesson function, easy to read display, 49 full-size keys, song bank controller, 2 speakers, 6 AA size batteries, or an AD-E95100L AC adapter can be used to power this product.
Let us open the box. It's upside down.
Is it?
Yeah, it's upside down. I thought the key is.
Yes, it's upside down.
Okay, now let us open. Cool.
Very sleek, modern design. It's actually smooth, although rough at the same time. I'm gonna open this plastic, which has the manual, the songbook, and a little piece of paper. This is the user manual, showing random pages. Songbook.
Songbook. It has the songs.
It says in the manual, you can either use AA batteries
Here.
or an adapter and then plug it here. To try this, we'll use the adapter. Oh.
Let me try playing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star.
Little
Ah, you made me wrong.
I am down in the sky.
Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Let me study some songs so I can make videos about it.
If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll get notified whenever you upload. And leave your comment in the comment section.
Bye!